Hey guys, we're gonna do the part 2 for the Bobcat loader. It's gonna be the cabin case, or whatever you can call it as cabin frame. Okay, let's start with the front plane, or we can start with the right plane. Control 8. Sketch. Let's define this as 1100. This height to be 100, and the distance from this point to this point, oh no, that point, oh yeah, this point to this point. Okay, escape and move that, and the distance from this point to that point is 528.70, and this height should be around 100. Perfect, you got what you want. Just change it to 400. Just go to features. Mid plane. Say okay. Perfect. Select this phase. Sketch. Control 8 for the normal. Convert entities. Converted. Go to offset and pick that line. Just set 40 millimeters. Keep in. Oh, okay. Go back here. Really small mistake, guys. Just delete this. Control 8 and just delete that. Oh, delete the sketch. Exit out of that. Delete that sketch. Say yes. Pick the surface. Sketch. Convert entities and offset of that in reverse direction. Say okay. Just say okay. Convert entities, offset. Just cut it. Just say 10 millimeters or so. 50. Just go to right plane, sketch, normal plane, and pick the corner rectangle. escape that. We can go to that point and here, bring that down. That's good. Some extrude cut. Midplane. Keep that to 900 millimeters and see how it goes. See, okay, perfect. Control 8. Just select the inside face and say sketch. Control 8. Okay, bring that down. What happened? Okay. Just delete it. Come on. Okay, go back to central. Bring that down to this point. What the heck happened?
Yeah, coming.
Just go to features, extruded cut, 30 millimeters. Just say okay, and now select this face, sketch, control 8. And select that inside lines and convert entities. And extrude that. By 10 millimeters. Okay, what happened to the plane? Please select a plane. Okay. Let's go back. Reverse 10 millimeters. Just say okay. That's pretty good. Okay. Back extrude boss. Reverse direction. 10 millimeters. Very good. Let's check extrude cut. Now try and mirror these guys. Boss extrude with the right plane. Mirror this face. Not that. This, okay, right plane. Mirror. Just pick. Not that. Let's be some face. Say okay, perfect. And now pick this face and sketch. Control 8. And here, offset. Pick this line. This line. This line. And that line. And give 10 millimeters. And try and do a extrude cut around 10 millimeters and see how it goes. You say okay. Yeah, this is how you get. And so guys, now yeah, this is for the glass, and now we're gonna create grill on the sides of this cabin. So you can do whatever kind of design you like to put on the grill. So I'm gonna pick something which is interesting. Maybe I'm gonna put polygon. Create a polygon here and give a dimension of from this point to that edge, give around 50, and here to this is 50, and try and give this dimension of 50. Okay, that's pretty good. Now what I'm going to do is go to the linear sketch pattern, and before we do that, do an extrude cut, do a through all. Is data okay? Do extrude cut, perfect, and say Control 8. Now what we're going to do is do linear pattern, and direction 1 is here, and we pick direction 2 is here, and give us 60. Here also we'll do 60, and features we're gonna pick. Oh, sorry. What do we do? Clear, and let's pick. Okay, so we want around, just put 16. Looks good. In direction 2 also let's give 16. That's a bit too much, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna skip the instances, and we can toggle them. Let's do Control 8. Control 8. Oh, sorry. Let's do that, and let's do that. Let's remove the oops. Okay, let's pick these and get those out of the way. It's gonna take a bit while, but it's okay. Take that off. I don't want to interfere that on the other side of the cabin because we are doing a through all. Okay, we have still a couple of those. That one and that. Okay, let's say okay and see how it goes. Perfect. That looks pretty good to me. Yeah. So now guys, what we're gonna do is select this face, sketch and Control 8, and let's create a circle here. That's supposed to be around 20, and let's do from here to that. That is supposed to be 50, and pick that from that point to this point is 25. Okay, now extrude that to through all, and looks good to me. Say okay. Yeah. Let's see if it doesn't work properly, then we can just change it anytime. Okay, let's go back and pick that face, sketch, Control 8, and pick a corner rectangle and start from there to that. Okay, and say okay, and extrude that to 5 millimeters, and say okay, and also pick that and change that material properties to plastic, or we can go to glass gloss. You can pick whichever glass you want. I'm gonna pick brown. Perfect, and say okay, and got the graphics, you can see that, and yeah, that's good. Okay, now we can pick all the, let's give some go back and give some color to it. Say, yeah, that looks good. Okay. Now we need to create a handle. So let's do the handle part. Now guys, what we're gonna do is create a handle. So let's pick the right plane, and so front plane, right plane, top plane. Okay. And create a plane. I'm gonna pick this face and that face. Oh, it didn't create properly, so let's go back and go back here, plane. First reference I'm gonna give this side, and the second reference I'm gonna give that, so it will create in between. Say OK, and create a plane. So let's go to plane 1 and sketch and control 8, and now define that to certain distance, that, and that. So you can give a dimension whichever you want. I'm going to give around 200, and that distance, oops, that distance is, come on, that distance, I'm gonna give around, it's not picking up, but that one will be, oops, I'm gonna give 80. It's 80. It's okay. On this, it's okay. Now pick the fillet and do around 30 and see if it takes. Okay, this one to 30. I'm just gonna be higher, 50. Say okay. And for 8, and let's see if it's fully defined. Oh, that's okay. Say okay. And now hide this. Just exit out of that. Hide that and pick that. Sketch. Pick a circle and give a dimension around how much. I'm gonna give 20. Just do 25. So nice. 25. And that's it. Exit out of that. And now go to sweep pause base. Pick that. Oh, sketch is already picked up. Oh, sorry. So here and here. That sketch. This one. That's pretty much it. It's okay. That's it. You can do multiple, but this should be okay. Yeah, and if you want to mirror that, just go to right plane, mirror, just go and say okay. That's it. And what else you would like to do? This looks good to me, and if you'd like to add any other features or something, you can still add, but I don't see you can add anything else. But let's save this as part 2. Save as part 2 Bobcat. I would like to save capital letters, or just do that. And save. Thank you so much, guys.